Hi guys, Ben Davis from Trucks and Toys. I'm just going to show you through this brand new SXT 2019/20 DT Ram 1500. So for everyone who's familiar with the Rams, and especially in Australia, there's a lot of classics out there. This is what they call the DT model, which is the new generation Ram. So it's a different shape, totally different styling, totally different interior, massive back seat. So we'll have a quick look around. You'll see more and more of these coming out in the country now. So this one's actually going to WA. It's heading off this afternoon, but we're doing a demo vehicle basically exactly the same as this. So SXT is more what everyone knows as the old shape as the Express model, so very similar. We've done this one up a little bit, so we've got rid of all the chrome on the front. We've colour coded the white grille, the bumpers, front and rear. Got a 42-inch curved light bar in the bumper there, which works really well. On the pocket flares all around as well, again colour coded. This one wanted the 35-inch tyres, so we've got the Mickey Thompson ATZ P3s with the Method 305s as well. We've also, to get those 35s under there, we've given it a little lift. We've put the Fox 2-inch coilover system under that to give it a little bit of a lift. Same on the rear, we've gone heavy duty springs. So this one on the 1500s, they're not known for their carrying capacity. We've actually done a GVM upgrade, which has got it up to about 1150 kilograms of payload. So it gets over that ton payload everyone talks about. So it's a really good, amount of weight that these things can carry, as well as they can still tow up to 4.5 tons. So keep that in mind. Inside, these come standard with a 5-inch screen. So we've actually upgraded this one back to 8.4-inch screen, same in all the Laramies that everyone be aware of. It's got the Apple CarPlay as well, so kept that modern theme in the interior. On the rear here as well, which you can't see, behind the rear guard here, we've actually custom made these auxiliary battery brackets. So they're up and running now. That's mounted up underneath, you can't see it, tucked out of the way, but it's got your auxiliary battery, so you can have auxiliary ports in the tub to put your fridges in or in the back seat. So just another feature we do here at Trucks and Toys. But this car's heading off to WA, heading off this afternoon. As I said, we're doing one up ourselves as a demo, so if you want to have a test drive of one and see what they drive like or see what the interior is like, feel free to come over to Trucks and Toys and we'll show you around and we'll take you for a drive.